How to change your Zodiac sign on Snapchat. This quick tutorial will show you how to update your Snapchat Zodiac sign in just a few simple steps. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top corner to access your profile page. Now, tap on your Zodiac sign badge. If the option appears, tap Continue and update your birth time. Your birth time can affect the Zodiac information displayed on Snapchat, so make sure the details are correct. Next, go back to your profile and tap the settings icon in the top corner and select birthday. Here, you can edit your birth date. Choose a date that matches the Zodiac sign you want to display on Snapchat, then tap Continue to save the changes. Then tap on OK. Once the updated birthday information is applied, Snapchat will automatically refresh your Zodiac sign based on the date you've selected. That's it. That's how to change your Zodiac sign on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.